Hi everyone, in this short video I want to share with you an interesting use of anonymous classes in PHP. I came upon this as I was writing unit tests for one of my projects. I hope you will find it helpful. Let's imagine we have a class like this. It has a dependency injected into constructor and it has a method that we want to test. This method is very simple. It returns whatever you pass into it plus 1. But as you may have noticed, it has this weird throws exception called, which I put here deliberately in order to break our tests. If we jump into it, we see that it uses our dependency. It checks whether the dependency returns false and then throws an exception. And as you see, the dependency always returns false. So this code will break no matter what, but as I said, I made it here deliberately. So now let's try to write a test. Let's create an object here. And of course we're going to mock our dependency. We'll use the create mock method of the PHPUnit framework and we'll pass the name of the class as the first parameter. Because I want to mock the method call as well, I will use the create configured mock method instead of create mock. And as a second parameter, I will pass the configuration for my method call. That is the name of the method and what it will return. And here, of course, I want to call the method that I'm testing and make my assertions. Okay, let's run the test now. So we run the test and we see an error. And the error says, trying to configure method get result which cannot be configured because it does not exist, has not been specified, is final, or is static. So let me open the file where the method is defined, and yep, it is final, which means that we cannot mock this method. And if we try to run our test without mocking the method, we will simply see the exception that this method throws. Let's do it. Yep, there it is. I will break your test. So at this point, it looks like a stalemate. You cannot run the test without mocking the method, and you cannot mock the method because it is defined as final. However, there is still a way that you can go. Nothing prevents you from redefining the throws exception method, and right now I will show you how. Instead of creating an object of the example service class, you could do this. You can create an instance of an anonymous class which extends the class you are testing, and in this class you can redeclare the methods you want to get rid of. Here we go. I don't want this method to throw an exception, so I'll just type return here. Now let's go and run the tests again. Okay, the tests are green, which means it works. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And see you soon.